All right, we are at it again. We are gonna do something crazy. Check this out. I read about it only on the internet, but this pool needs some work. Water is green. We're not gonna give up the owner's name, but you know. And we are going to use this product that we got at Myers. Is green to blue, and we're gonna test it and see if it will actually work. So, this is my assistant. You got anything for us?
No.
That's all right. We'll get her done. All right, so step one is we got 4 bags of this green to blue. We're gonna sprinkle it in all over the pool.
It doesn't fit in my phone holder that I got for my car with the case.
All right, it's green, and I don't know what it is. Just that kills bacteria and algae. We just want to get it all right. It's probably chlorine or something.
That's what it smells like.
It's probably really potent. But it's really, yeah.
Smells like the YMCA. Uh-oh.
What?
I screwed it up.
Wrong button in ya.
Yes.
It's all right.
Sorry, am I fired?
Fired.
Okay. Tiffany?
Right there. All right, just a quick update. So we did the 4 bags out there and let it circulate off. Actually, scrub the bottom for a little bit, get it up and going. And now we're putting the 2 bags of this green to blue, and this is supposed to do the magic. So this is our second one. This stuff, the green to blue, we put it through the skimmer. The first just killed the algae, and that was broadcast. So here we go. Let's do this. You can see it coming out of there. So that's a good idea, because it's actually getting really mixed in well. So now we're gonna run it for an hour, and then we're gonna shut it off and let it sit overnight. And then tomorrow, when we come out here, everything should be settled to the bottom.
So what will it look like?
So the top, I bet the top 3/4 of it should be really a lot cleaner, and you should have a big, like about that deep probably of crap on the bottom that you gotta start vacuuming.
Okay.
And we gotta do that a couple times.
Yeah.
And it'll be clear.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good, because it's the right size pool too for this package.
Perfect.
So yeah, so this package does 20,000 gallons, and we're just a little bit over that. So this is going to be a true testament to see how this super green to blue flocculant and green to blue 1 kills bacteria and algae. So does that crystal clear results in 24 hours. Let's check it out. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna let it do its thing, and we'll be back to give you an update. Yeah. Yeah, so we got it in there right now, and this stuff is so fine, it's still in the filter. So it's gonna be doing that for a little while. It's gonna make sure everything is mixed up really, really good, because it was all nice and clear coming out of there. All right, it's gonna work. Yeah, so all right, so it's diluted pretty good in the sand filter. It's pretty much emptied out now because it's nice and clear. So we're gonna let this sit. We're gonna let this run actually for an hour, and then we're gonna turn it off and let it sit and come back. And tomorrow at 10, which will be in a while. So see ya. All right, so we're back at it, and we're over doing the pool treatment, and we're going to see how it looks. So remember, yesterday when we left, it was green. We had put the 2-step process in, And now, if everything worked as it should, everything should have settled to the bottom, and we should have nice clear water on top. We can vacuum it out, and boom, we'll have a nice pool. Let's check it out. Hang on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We can see this is freaking awesome.
Whoa.
Awesome. This stuff actually works. See all the stuff at the bottom? It all clumped it up. Oh, you can see blue. Oh, yeah. All we gotta do is vacuum this now. Oh, you would have died if you would have seen this yesterday. This actually worked. So all we gotta do is vacuum all that stuff up, start filtering it, get our chlorine stuff going. Yeah, it works. So I highly recommend this because this was cool. This is our first time ever doing it. I just heard about it, and my brother-in-law and sister-in-law did it to their pool several times, and yeah, this is awesome. So here, this is what it is. It's this green to blue treatment, and it does work. So you got the treatment 1 that kills the bacteria and algae, and then you have the flocculant that binds everything together and it settles to the bottom. And now all we gotta do is vacuum, and look at it, clean water. Yeah, true story. So we got a little bit of setup to do here. We're gonna get the vacuum going, and I do need to put another bag or 2 of sand in here. So once we get this thing all nice and crystal clear and vacuumed out, we will definitely show you another video of that. So until then, next video, peace out. Boom, thanks. Yeah, sucking that stuff right out. So right now we're going to filter the waste because it's just so green that we do not want to get it back in the pool. But this is working. So this was our first run. It got just a touch cloudy, but you'd expect that. But look at all the blue you can see underneath there. So we got all the bulk of it out. Our skimmer, we lost probably, it looks like it was up to that brown level, so about 1.5 inches of water. So if I would have filled it up all night, we would have been good, but I forgot about that. So we're probably ended up gonna have to shut the pump off here shortly and let it fill back up and let it settle back down again. All right, so we're back at it. We came in to check this out before the sun goes down. Tiff and Nick, they did another vacuum, and it's looking really good. So what I'm thinking is one more day, get our water level back up, one more day of vacuuming, it's gonna be beautiful. So 24 hours, they were correct. They were right about that. Green to blue in 24. There's a little bit more, but it is huge difference. Why not? Get a sunset in there. It's beautiful. We're out. Comstock Park area, or not Comstock Park, Rockford. It's looking beautiful. Look at the 2 bosses over here. Freaking chilling. They're like, yeah, the boys are doing good. All right, we'll do one more tomorrow. We'll come back, check this out. After you get all the sand, rest of it vacuumed up, clean, we'll get our pool chemistry balanced out, and boom, we're good. All right, so we already did one treatment, and the pool was really bad to start with. So we ended up having to do a second treatment, and it does say that if your pool is really dirty, you might have to. So this is the second treatment, and it looks like it's going to be way better. It looks like we're going to get the rest of it, because the water is actually much better. So I think the sun will come back out now, so I can't see. But we're getting it. We're gonna slowly vacuum it out. And look at that water level that we got. So our water level in the pool is right at the top there. And That is key to making sure you can vacuum it all out in one shot. So, once again, we're doing our green to blue treatment. And make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, please, as we're still working for 1,000 viewers, subscribers. Oh, I'm so happy. I thought it was dry. I couldn't see the water. All right, so we're back at it again, and we just finished up vacuuming the whole pool. The second green to blue treatment, we had to add to it. This was definitely the extreme green condition, and it is way better. We are like 90% there. A little bit of filtration, keep up on our chlorine and our algae fighters. We're gonna be good. So let's have a look. And yeah, hopefully you can see this because the sun is out. And yep, there's my lovely wife helping out. We are getting this pool back the way it should be. Oh, sister and brother-in-law are gonna be thrilled because this is looking good. Good. Their kids are gonna be like, yeehaw, jumping in. Yeah, we are there. Hallelujah. A little worried. The first treatment, it did help out a significant amount, but it still had a green tinge that just would not go away. And we were just feeding it chlorine and algicide, and yeah, it just wasn't getting it. But did another treatment, second treatment, and water is clear. You can see the vacuum pretty good. It's got a little cloud, but we'll get it filtering, keep up with our chemicals, and it works. It definitely works. The green to blue treatment, $42.99 at Meijer. You got a green pool. Yep. What you want to do. So until the next video, make sure you like and subscribe. This is James, and till the next one.
Like a white blue? Wow, this is the clearest we've seen it though.
we're just pulling your leg.
Oh! This is beautiful. What the frick are you guys talking about?
It is beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It
Wow,
worked.
guys, I believed you.
No, I was like, we gotta pull a fast one on her. We gotta go tell her.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Oh.
This is perfect.
It's beautiful. Tiff, we are there.
Wow.
Yeah,
Crazy, isn't it?
we are there.
Wow.
Like, this looked like shit this morning, didn't it?
Wow. I didn't look at it this morning. Wow.
Yeah, there it is, right from the customer. It works. So we're back at the pool that we were working on like 2 weeks ago, and we ran 2 treatments of the H2S green to blue, and check this out. It's beautiful. It is like a pool should be. It's beautiful. The stuff works. It is beautiful. No sand, no green. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. I know they're happy. All right, so a couple additions that we put in. We put this chlorine automatic chlorinator in, and then we had to actually take apart the filter. It had one of the nozzles at the bottom of it came off and wasn't filtering good. But we did that. We're on a chemical plan. Put 3-inch tabs in this on Sunday, and we put shock and FOS Wednesday, and backwash once a week, and pretty much it. But yeah, this was a pretty cool project. So this will be the end. This will be the last one, and we're done right now. So please like and subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you for watching.